Top 20 Gadget Gifts for a Programmer. The technologies of the modern world are needed by everyone, especially programmers, so we present to your attention a wish list of many programmers. 1. Any programmer definitely needs good headphones. 2. External battery for a large volume, which can be connected to a laptop and phone. 3. A tablet with a keyboard that can be used for remote work or leisure. 4. USB hub, which will allow you to connect many necessary USB devices. 5. Coffee machine. Many people like to drink coffee, especially well brewed. 6. Heated mug. The coffee will no longer get cold if you work hard. 7. Microphone for talking with colleagues, recording video, or just for playing games. 8. Optical mouse on the finger, which works just like a regular mouse, only you do not need to touch the surface. What is an optical mouse for? It is not always convenient to use the touchpad, and the mouse does not work well on soft surfaces and you want to lie on the couch. This is where you need an optical mouse. 9. Webcam for video recording or for work conferences. 10. An external hard drive for storing important files outside of a working computer or for creating a backup, a very useful thing in the household. 11. Keyboard or mouse. 12. PC accessories, if your mentee was talking about specific details. 13. Flash drive for transferring and saving various data. 14. An air ozonizer that saturates the air with oxygen. Sometimes it is enough to take a few deep breaths of air, and you feel much better, healthier and happier. 15. Portable mini heater to help you work more comfortably and warmly. 16. E-book. 17. Mini printer. 18. Portable mini fridge. 19. Wireless charging. 20. Ring lamp.
Subscribe to our channel and watch as we take over the world.